Hello and thank you for joining me. This is an informative private lending video slideshow about the secured, hassle-free, and superior yields of private lending. We use private lenders. My name is Todd Proffit. I'm the principal owner and manager of Proffit Development. We've been using private lenders for years. We're so glad that you're here, and this is a presentation that will help you and I get acquainted. I'd really want you to understand what we have to offer, the reason why we use private lenders, and why we encourage any questions you may have to becoming a private lender, either with us or with someone else. What is private mortgage lending and what's in it for you? We want to answer those questions. First of all, the bank makes money in CDs, and then they loan it out to people like me at a superior rate of interest. I basically cut out the middleman and we do business directly with each other instead of you buying CDs, me getting a conventional loan from the bank, which in most cases we can't even get a conventional loan or financing on these condemned homes or distressed property. So a private lender program overview: we buy and sell houses. To buy houses, we prefer to borrow money from private individuals like yourselves. We pay up to 15% to use your money. It's really a very simple plan. We locate property that we want to buy. We borrow from you to purchase the property, and we have a formal closing and you have a mortgage on the property, less 70% of the value. The availability of cash allows us to buy at extreme discounts. Here's a quick overview of how it works as far as the flow. So private lender U gets documents securing a loan: your mortgage deed, your promissory note, your insurance, your title insurance. Purchase the house, we renovate it or we sell it, lease option FHA. You get the monthly payments and or compound returns, and then when it sells it goes back to you, and you can have the choice of redoing it all over again, doing it tax deferred in IRA, etc. We'll make monthly payments. We have two options the way we work with our lenders. We either make monthly payments of 1% of the loan, so if it was $100,000 it'd be 1%, or 12% annualized percentage rate, if you like a monthly income. Some people do. Some people are taking money out of their IRA, so they let the interest accrue. They let the interest accrue till the house is sold, and then they get one check for the principal and the interest of the 15% annualized percentage rate. So just to give you an example, early withdrawal of your $100,000 CD, a 12-month return would be $2,000. We provide $15,000 return on your investment. That also would equal, it would take 5 years to double your money. It'd be $201,000. If you did a CD, it'd be $110,000. So it's huge compound returns over time. Turns into over $1 million in 15 years. So, and there's no withdrawal penalty for us. You can just keep it rolling over. $100,000 at 12% is $1,000 a month. Is $12,000 a year. Bank pays you $2,000 a year. How can we buy houses so far below market value? Our specialty is distressed properties that usually need renovations. Maybe they've been condemned. Maybe it's a BK, an REO, a short sale. But we know where to look, what to buy, and what not to buy, and how to renovate. We create value by taking distressed property and making it the most desirable home in the area. We've proven that time and time again. Documents securing your loan: if you use a private lender, you should always ask for a promissory note, a mortgage, a hazard insurance policy, UCC1 filing, title insurance, and an appraisal to assure your security in a value of the asset. Well, lenders have no expense. The biggest concern is the protection of principal. Our number one rule is money borrowed is no higher than 70% loan to value after renovations. So a $100,000 loan should never have or $100,000 home should never have over a $70,000 note against it. That gives a margin for error in market movement. So there's always plenty of equity above your loan. So if you have $70,000 in, it's worth $100,000. You have $30,000 margin there to work with, in case you need a short sale, fire sale, or whatnot. So take control of your future. Are you retired or want to retire, quit your job, want the extra income? If you have money and you want to get it working for you, I can't think of a better way to earn better returns out there. So if you have IRAs, 401k pension plans, you can self-direct your IRA or pension plan. Then your returns go ahead and stay tax deferred or tax free while they're being taken in and out of these mortgage loans. It's simple, it's easy, and we do all the work. Open an account with an IRA called a custodian. You roll over funds to Canyon Title. That's who we use mainly. Self-direct funds to closing to go ahead and fund the project or the property. And then you earn 15% APR on a 6 to 12 month term determined by us up front. When the house sells and funds, they're sent directly back to your custodian, and you decide if you want to roll that over again from your IRA. Whole life insurance policies, you can also borrow cash value out of your life insurance that are only giving you a 1 or 2% return. You loan it back to Proffit Development, buy houses, and you earn 15%. So people who sell us houses, we buy from banks, REOs, foreclosures, short sales. We do private individuals, everything from bankruptcy, divorce, absentee owners, probate, realtors, asset managers, and trustees. People who rent and then buy our houses, we work with people who aren't able to maybe get a loan, help them with their credit for 6 months, and then go ahead and get them into a conventional finance loan and back them out into a house. What happens in my loan if Todd dies? So if I die, the business is structured to sell properties and pay you off regardless. Your loan is totally secured by the property. The property will be sold and your principal and interest will be paid as agreed. My partners will take over on my behalf if anything should happen to me. I'd like to go over the private lender program, company overview, my history, our history, and of course the dream team, as we are a group of appraisers, brokers, builders, etc. But Proffit Development was originally Proffit Construction, which started in Aspen back in the 60s. It's a family-run business that goes back generations. We love to develop, replat, build, and remodel all over Colorado. Company is based on family values and traditions that go along with hard work and a love for building. Our goal is to grow the company by providing affordable housing to tenants, entry level currently, and first-time home buyers, pretty much under 250,000. We try to stay within those guidelines until markets adjust, probably 2012, 2013. In that time, it will be a worldwide investment company. So the company is a private-for-profit real estate investing company. We acquire, rehab, lease, sell residential and at times commercial real estate. We do land development when the market conditions are right. So we're a real estate solutions company. That word has a lot of meaning for us. It was chosen because it's a way we want to treat our clients, our customers, our suppliers, vendors, and each other. Our competitive advantage, well, we're very fast. We move quickly. And that's decisive speed to purchase properties, our network systems, and the knowledge from experience that allows us this confidence that gives us the edge. We're a renovation and development corporation. We do short-term hold properties. Sometimes we wholesale or quick flip. We do land development, like I was saying, when market conditions exist. New construction when market conditions permit. How to find us? We have an office in Aspen. We also have another office in Denver. You can contact us either via our websites or through email or phone. We look forward to hearing from you any and all ways. Here's a picture of our office in Aspen. Here's a snap of our website. Properties listed. This is how we move properties. We list our retail sales through websites, over 350 of them that we own, as well as syndicate to YouTube, Craigslist, Zillow, Backpage, Google, Kijiji, etc. They do move fast. Sometimes, a lot of the times, they're pre-sold and or same day as listed for sale. Here's an example of a luxury home and an FHA. The luxury home on top was purchased at an auction. It's a log home. It was purchased for $325, sold for $465. The little home down there on the bottom, that was purchased for $62,750, $35,000 in renovations, and was listed for $144,900. Same day on the market, sold for $144,500, with backup offers, I might add. Critical success factors. What makes our company unique? Well, we understand what it takes to bring a property to highest best use, whether that be financially or whether that be physically. And since our background is in appraising, construction, new construction, rehabbing, renovations, we are mortgage brokers, we're real estate agents. We understand all of the different components of this marketplace and with each property and what we can do, whether that be an addition or whether it just be cleaning up existing property, whether it be a scrape and building new construction or whatever have you. We know how to assimilate all those components to the highest best use for that property. And that's what makes us successful, is our teamwork, our drive, our focus, and our hard work. So the next step, by now you know this program works and you can earn 12% starting today. You have three options. You can either do nothing. This isn't for you. You can give the names of folks that maybe you feel it would serve, or you can go and work with another investor who's looking for a private lender. Option number two, you can set up a one-on-one meeting with us to discuss in more detail, answer some of your questions, and make you more secure with your moving forward with us or with another lender. Option three, you can contact us and we will place your monies into one of our properties so you can start making your monthly or compound returns as soon as possible. All we would need from you is a commitment form, your name, your address, where you live, and just a yes. It would be great to start. I would like to get started as soon as possible, and then how much you would like to dedicate to placing with us. Then you can either send that to ProffitLive.com. You can give us a call, or you can drop us a note through one of our websites, Development.com or AspenInvestmentAssociation.com. We hope you take action. We hope this has been informative, and we look forward to doing some business with you soon.